In this lesson titled Using Undo and Redo, we're in workbook titled Lesson 02, Entering Data, and we're working in the Worksheet tab, Undo, Redo. In a previous lesson, we've been working with this simple information we see here. The concept we want to talk about is how to efficiently use undo and redo. If I was simply to type a number right here, and then simply click away or hit enter to accept, I've decided that that number is incorrect and I want to undo it. The simplest way to do that is to use Control Z on your keyboard. Hold down the Control and hit Z, and it will undo. Control Z is extremely useful, and the two keys are right next to each other on the left side of the keyboard. You also have up in your Quick Access toolbar an Undo button. It's the small arrow pointed back. If you hover over it, you also can see that it's showing me the shortcut Control Z. What is often missed, however, is the small arrow next to the Undo button. That's a drop-down arrow. When I click it, I can see the last few things that I've done. In this case, it was zooming in. You can undo sequentially as many things as are listed. So I can come all the way down here, and if I undo, it should zoom me back out because I recently zoomed in. Well, once you undo something, you can also redo it. And that sounds a little confusing, but basically you're undoing the undo. Every time I click this button, it will undo it one time, zooming me back to where I was before. But just like the undo button on the Quick Access toolbar, if I click on it, I can also undo as much as I want to sequentially. So I can come all the way back here, and it'll take me all the way back to where we were zoomed in and I had entered that data. So I had reversed what I had undone. So we can just simply click here and hit delete on the keyboard. Important concepts using undo and redo. Redo also has a shortcut key. Did you notice when we hovered over, it gave us Control Y as that shortcut?